Welcome back to Bible Quiz Star. Following God's commands is more important than human traditions. Is this assertion true? The answer is true. If you guessed that right, just hit the like button. God's word is more important than human traditions. Is this assertion true? The answer is true. If you guessed that right, then subscribe. What was far from God in the Pharisees' worship? A. Their faith. B. Their heart. C. Their mind. Or D. Their soul. The correct answer is B. Their heart. What did Jesus say about human teachings? A. They are meaningless. B. They are purposeful. C. They are truthful. Or D. They are valuable. The correct answer is A. They are meaningless. Religious leaders were happy with Jesus' teaching about traditions. Is this fact true? The answer is false. What did Jesus compare religious leaders to? A. Blind guides. B. Dark paths. C. Dead ends. Or D. Lost sheep. The correct answer is A. Blind guides. The disciples understood Jesus' teachings immediately. Would you say this is true? The answer is false. What makes a person spiritually unclean according to Jesus? A. Acts from the hand. B. Deeds from the soul. C. Things from the heart. Or D. Words from the mind. The correct answer is C. Things from the heart. What comes from the heart according to Jesus? A. Evil thoughts. B. Good wishes. C. Kind dreams. Or D. Pure motives. The correct answer is A. Evil thoughts. Unwashed hands make a person spiritually unclean. Is this fact true? The answer is false. What did the Canaanite woman seek from Jesus? A. Blessing for family. B. Healing for daughter. C. Help for herself. Or D. Prayer for child. The correct answer is B. Healing for daughter. How did the Canaanite woman show humility? A. Accepted correction. B. Gave respect. C. Made peace. Or D. Showed patience. The correct answer is A. Accepted correction. Jesus praised the woman's great faith. True or false? The answer is true. What quality did Jesus praise in the woman? A. Faith. B. Hope. C. Love. Or D. Trust. The correct answer is A. Faith. What did the crowd do after seeing the healings? A. Left quickly. B. Praised God. C. Stood silent. Or D. Thanked Jesus. The correct answer is B. Praised God. Jesus showed compassion by feeding the hungry crowd. Is this fact true? The answer is true. The crowd stayed with Jesus for 3 days. Is this belief true? The answer is true. The disciples had enough food to feed everyone. Is this idea correct? The answer is false. What did Jesus do with the 7 loaves? A. Blessed them. B. Broke them. C. Saved them. Or D. Shared them. The correct answer is A. Blessed them. The crowd went home without eating. Is the above statement correct? The answer is false.